In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to emailing or want to ensure your messages reach multiple people efficiently, this guide will walk you through every step. Adding CC or carbon copy is a simple yet powerful way to keep others informed without making them the main recipient. Let's dive in and get started with composing your email. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and on the main Gmail page, look toward the left side of the screen for the Compose button. This button is usually at the top of the sidebar, clearly marked with a plus icon. Clicking on Compose opens a new email window, typically appearing in the lower right of your screen. This is where you'll create your message. In the new email window, you'll see the To field at the top. Here is where you enter the main recipient's email address. Be sure to double check for typos, as even small errors can prevent your email from reaching the right person. Now let's add a CC. This allows you to send a copy of your email to someone else. Right below the To field, you'll see a CC option, usually a clickable link. Click it, and a new field will appear beneath the main recipient. This is where you type the email address of the person you want to keep in the loop. Just like before, verify the email to ensure it's correct. Adding a CC is useful for team updates, project communication, or keeping supervisors informed. Unlike the primary recipient, the CC edit person is not expected to respond but will stay updated on the conversation. You can also use the BCC field in certain situations to hide recipients from each other if privacy is important. After adding the necessary recipients, both primary and CC, it's time to craft your email. Enter a clear subject line and write your message concisely. If you're sending important information, consider bullet points or numbered lists to make the email easier to read. Before sending, take a quick final review of the recipient fields and the email body to ensure everything is correct. When ready, hit the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Congratulations, you've successfully added CC to your Gmail message. This feature is incredibly helpful for keeping communication transparent and ensuring everyone involved in a project is up to date. Consistently using CC can improve teamwork, reduce miscommunication, and make your emailing much more professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this simple but essential Gmail skill to enhance your email management and productivity. Happy emailing!